And Maxim, floor is with you. You can make a presentation for 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then later part, any question, then we'll.
Hello, everyone. My name is Maksim. I represent AgriTech startup Cropfleet, and we are from Belarus, Europe. And we make it happen that unmanned technologies every farm. We have our own professional trailer unit for pesticide application with drones. And in these 10-15 minutes, I would like to tell you about how drones' appearance influenced agriculture as in last years or so in future. And let me, sorry, I walk now without the deck slide because I think it's usually not memorable and only distracting. So let's talk and listen.
Dr. S. Chakraborty, please stop sharing your screen. Dr. S. Chakraborty. Dr. S. Chakraborty, please stop sharing your screen.
So you just stopped it because I don't have any slide, and I will talk to you and give information.
Dr. S. Chakraborty. Okay. Kevin, are you there?
I am there.
Yeah, please remove Dr. S. Chakraborty.
Okay.
You can remove. Otherwise, it will be difficult to make any presentation.
All right, going to remove him from the meeting now.
Okay, thank you.
Right now, he is sharing. Yeah, please.
So let me continue. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
With the world supply at an all-time high and commodity prices at an all-time low as a result of increasing demands in food production and consumption, the modern farming industry is at a crossroads, as we think. There is a greater need than ever before for farmers and agronomists across the globe to improve resource management in response to tightening budgets. And furthermore, we know about climate change. So climate change continues to create new layers of complexity for the agriculture industry all over the world in protecting the security of the supply chain. Indeed, optimizing sustainability conditions to minimize the impact on the health and well-being of the public and the planet will remain a priority, particularly as unchanged sustainability measures could also provide additional economic benefits by enabling agriculture professionals to focus their resources and efforts more efficiently. Precision agriculture practices which can help farmers make better informed decisions is really everyone need to understand it and have evolved significantly over recent years with the global market which now established to reach about $40 billion. While drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have not yet made it into the mainstream agriculture, they are playing an increasingly important role in precision farming, helping agriculture professionals lead the way with sustainable farming practices, while also protecting and increasing profitability. And the use of global position system as GPS technology, together with some geographic information system as GIS or RTK tools, form a large part of these precision agriculture practices, allowing fine-scale monitoring and mapping of yield and crop parameter data within fields. This provides more intense and efficient cultivation methods, which can help farmers adjust fertilizer perceptions or identify even crops diseases before they become widespread. With more data at their fingertips, farmers can make decisions based on economic and environmental factors. For example, by optimizing fertilizer treatment and applying only the right amount at the right time, significant costs and environmental savings can be made. The use of drones in the agriculture industry is steadily growing as part of an effective approach by sustainable agricultural management that allows agronomists, agriculture engineers, and farmers to help streamline their operations, using robust data analytics to gain effective insights into their crops. Crop monitoring, for example, is made easier by using drone data to accurately plan and making ongoing improvements. I can repeat it, ongoing improvements. It's really needed thing, such as the use of ditches and involving fertilizer applications. It used to be that agriculture involved quite a bit of like guesswork. What is the weather patterns? What kind of crop yields could be expected, and so on. And over the last 5 years, farmers have found innovative ways to answer these questions as much as possible with new technologies. And the agriculture drone are the next step in this process. Agriculture drones can be used to do anything from precision agriculture to efficiently dispersing weed control or fertilizer, and to optimizing the field management. As a result, we can see reduced operation costs, improved crop quality, and increased yield rate. Whether you are an independent farmer or a leader of a large organization, drone technology can help you beat your harvest goals and yield more crops with fewer resources. What about spraying? Spraying that is better in every way. No one likes the idea of chemical spraying, but for the time being, it's a necessary part of a large-scale agriculture, and all over the world, it could be done from 4 to 12 times seasonally. Fortunately, smart farming drones are helping reduce its environmental impact. These specialized vehicles are equipped with sprayers, but also with various kinds of technology like lasers and like echo device, which can measure distance with extreme precision. The result is a massive reduction in overall spray and a much lower chemical level reaching the groundwater and the apparatus, for example. And of course, being that they are drones, they can complete a spraying job about 5 times faster than old school methods that we use today. A little bit about us, as we are innovators in agriculture, and we made our own solution. And it's like a trailer unit which is designed with the needs of growers in mind. From 2009, we used to use drones, spraying drones in the field for about half a year and a year. And after that, we gathered about 50 questions. The questions about why it's so complicated, why it's so unpredictable. And the answers to that questions helped us to create a professional tool that is ready to use equipment. As we understand, we are taking an even bigger step in precision farming by using drones. Despite the great popularity of drones in agriculture for the past 5 years, I think, the technology and equipment are still too complex to quickly transition and to quick use here and now in the field by a farmer. So having these questions, we redesigned like a software, we redesigned the systems, we developed our own professional equipment. When you use drones, you need to control everything in different interfaces and different computers using some flashcards and so on. It's complicated, it's waste of time. What we think about it, that you need only one interface to control everything. So the farmer, in the end, he need or she just the hectares with crops that are growing well. So drone software consists of large number of different applications, processes, and operations that should be done in different interfaces, as I said. The software that we provide is correctly controlled by one operator, one interface, just now here in the field. Another question about using drones is water. When we use standard methods of application, we always think about water that it needs to come every hour on the field. So we redesigned even this system, and in our trailer unit, we use the mixing and filling station with 1 meter cube with water inside. It's enough water for use drones for 1 day. Another question we face that you always need technical equipment, batteries, drones. So we designed and put every scene of equipment for drones use in the field in one trailer unit, which helps to make over 200 hectares per shift per day. So it's like our solution competing with the market of drones and giving new possibilities like next step. What are the advantages of combining smart agriculture machinery and agriculture drones? As of today, drones cannot communicate directly with agriculture equipment. Drones fly over the field and take mostly high-resolution pictures. The data gathered and directly sent to the cloud software and made available it for customers. Thanks to this idea, the user can select the information wanted from the image and make different prescriptions, maps depending on the operations the farmer wants to perform on his field. Drone is still in its early stage in precision agriculture as we see it, and may be a scope for additional improvement both in technology and in agriculture. It is expected to develop drones innovation, improved ways of image processing, lower prices, flight times, battery, new camera models, small volume spraying systems, and kind of nozzles. Today, some farming drones operate like little flying to great nurses, using visible and near-infrared light sensors and surveillance technology to monitor the health of the crop and livestock. While flying overhead, the field drones are able to collect enough detailed information to calculate a crop's vegetation index. They do this by detecting minute difference in a crop's reflected NIR and green light. From there, the tech can develop diagnostic multispectral images. So also the next step of using the drones. And in the end, I think I need to tell you that the future is about reducing the use of natural resources. The future is farming even more precisely down to each plant, not even field. And the future is more automated system around the farmer, such as drones, which enabling work without contact of pesticides or any other chemicals. The future is also sharing economy technological equipment and providing service to the farmers. So it's all my words I wanted to tell you today on this conference.